Hi, welcome to my channel. I have a treat for you today. This nighttime treat will warm your heart and drift you off to sleep. No sleeping pills needed here. Let me show you the wonderful health benefits of golden milk before bed. I do this when I need a little extra help to fall asleep. So if you are looking for a delicious and soothing way to relax before bed, I got you. Let me introduce you to a warm cup of golden milk, a bedtime ritual that's as comforting as it is beneficial for your health. This ancient Ayurvedic drink combines whole milk with powerful ingredients like cinnamon, ginger, turmeric, raw honey, and nutmeg. Together, they create a comforting, nutrient-packed beverage that's perfect for winding down after a long day. Let's take a closer look at the key ingredients and their benefits. Whole milk is rich in tryptophan, an amino acid that helps produce serotonin and melatonin, promoting better sleep. Cinnamon adds warmth while supporting blood sugar regulation and digestion. Ginger soothes your stomach and fights inflammation, ensuring a calm night ahead. Turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory that may ease muscle and joint discomfort while boosting your immune system. Raw honey not only sweetens the drink naturally, but also helps release melatonin for a restful sleep. Nutmeg provides a gentle sedative effect and enhances relaxation. Making golden milk is simple. Gently heat your milk of choice. Stir in a pinch of cinnamon, grated ginger, turmeric, and nutmeg. Once warmed, remove from heat and add a teaspoon of raw honey. Stir well using a whisk. Get cozy in bed. Sip away to dreamland. Drinking this soothing blend 30 minutes before bed can help improve sleep quality, reduce inflammation, support digestion, and even boost your immune system. Try golden milk tonight and experience its magic for yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For more health tips and relaxing bedtime rituals, check out my other videos. Love this idea? Share it with a friend who needs better sleep.